To configure self-hosted AI in Mac Recorder, click on File and select Settings. Then switch to tab AI and select Engine Ollama. Click on Configure and follow the on-screen instructions. You're routed to Ollama.com, which is a third-party provider of a self-hosted AI engine, which you need to download and install. Select the suitable operating system and then click Download. Ollama is a program which runs in the background and is used by Mac Recorder to provide the self-hosted AI functionality. Run the setup and follow the on-screen instructions of the Ollama installer. Okay, and now you can select the desired language model. Those are described on the Ollama page. If you click on Models, you get information about the models. Mac Recorder supports a selection of these models, and you should not download them from this page, but through Mac Recorder. So we close the browser, and here you have the overview within Mac Recorder, and then you can select the desired engine. Let's start with the small engine. And you can select multiple language models. Okay, if you see the green check mark, everything runs properly, and you can now use AI with Mac Recorder.